Hello, have you ever tried tasting this spicy herb Vietnamese mint? Everyone, it's episode number 2. I'm Hung Tran, talking about rice pepperoni herbs, and welcome to Rolling Fun. So herb is essential ingredient in the rice pepperoni recipe. Their aroma is magnificent, and they different from fruit and veggie. So it's their textures and taste, it's their flavor. Today I will show the herb that the most popular. They are mint, dill, and shisha, chive, and Vietnamese mint. But the question is, where do you buy this? Let's check the supermarket to see if we can get it. If you just use once or twice, mint, dill, and chive, in Coles, IGA, and Woolworths, you easily buy the herbs. Now we go out to the burning warehouse. Mint and dill and chive. Vietnamese mint is here. That's so surprised. You can buy them and plant in your home garden. Hi, now we're back to our studio. Look at this herb. It's very special. One side of its leaves is purple. Can you guess its name? Well, its name is shisha. This is the end of this video. Please subscribe into our Rolling Fun channel. In the next episode, we will taste the herb and we will see their flavors. Thank you.